Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your IONOS domain to your Shopify. Now the first thing that we need to do is simply open up Shopify here and log into your account, open up your store. And once you're here in your home, all you need to do is go down here to the bottom left part of the screen, which is settings. And then once you're here in settings, all you need to do is go here to domains. And then once you're here in domain, all you need to do is click on Connect Existing Domain. Now once you've done that, just link or place in your IONOS domain here, and you click on Next, and then the IONOS login page should appear, and just log into your IONOS, and then just click on Connect, and that should be okay. Now if it says that it doesn't exist, so for example it says something like this, it says something like that, or something, so for example like that, and if it doesn't load or it doesn't exist, make sure that your IONOS domain is not currently connected to any other Shopify accounts, and make sure it is only connected to this one, to your current one. And that is basically it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.